Okay, children, yesterday I was telling about the Newton's laws of motion and force. Just a small quick revision about this topics which we discussed yesterday. Newton's laws of motion. So, children, Newton's first law. What is Newton's first law? States that children, every body continues to be in a state of rest or motion unless and until it is applied by external force. Until and unless external force is applied. And what is the second in Newton's first law? Is what, children? Concept of
Inertia.
inertia is the measure of mass.
Mass.
Inertia is the measure of mass. What is inertia, children? Did I say what is inability of a body to change state of rest or motion or direction on its own? Inability of a body to change the state of rest, motion and direction on its own. Okay, and then I gave examples for rest, I gave examples of motion, I gave examples of direction. Then I told Newton's second law. What is Newton's second law? I told children, rate of change of momentum is force applied. Rate of change of momentum is equal to force applied. Okay,
Force applied.
Momentum is equal to force applied. And Newton's second law gives the concept of
Momentum.
What is the
Momentum.
Momentum, product of mass and
Product of mass and velocity.
Product of mass and velocity. Okay, children, then I told initial momentum is mu, final momentum is mv, change in momentum is mv minus mu, and rate of change of momentum is mv minus mu by t, and that is equal to force. So if you take F common, m into v minus u by t, that is F is equal to ma, I told. Okay, children, they gave derivation also yesterday. I gave this derivation also. I gave children. Initial momentum means mu. Initial momentum means mu. Final momentum means mv. And change in momentum is mv minus mu. Rate of change in momentum is mv minus mu by t, and that is equal to force I told. That is equal to force I told. Yesterday I told this definition also. So Newton first law states that every body continues to be in a state of rest or motion. Every body continues to be in a state of rest and motion until and unless you apply force. Children, a stone is there, children. Without you applying force, will it move? It won't move. So, inability of body to change the state of rest or motion or direction on its own is called inertia. Inability of body to change the state of rest or motion or direction on its own is called inertia. Second law states that rate of change of momentum is equal to force applied. Second law states that rate of change in momentum is directly proportional to force applied. Okay, can anyone say second law, children? Rate of change of
momentum.
Rate of change of energy.
Proportional to force applied.
Okay, Nandika, you tell. Nandika?
Rate of change of momentum is directly proportional to the force applied.
Shanmukh, you tell. Shanmukh?
Rate of change of momentum is directly proportional to the force applied.
Neeraj, you tell. Yashasvi, you tell. Yashasvi.
Rate of change of force.
Momentum.
Sir, can you hear me?
Yeah,
Can you?
Yes,
Rate of change of momentum is directly proportional to the force applied.
Force applied. Tamai, can you tell?
Sir, rate of change of momentum is directly proportional to force
applied. Okay, Snigdha, can you tell?
Rate of change of momentum is equals to is directly proportional to force applied.
Rohan, can you tell?
Sir, can you hear me?
You wait, Neeraj, you wait. Rohan, can you tell? Okay. Yeah. Rohan, are you there? No? Okay. Fine, children. So, children, rate of change in momentum is force applied. What is the definition of momentum? What is the definition of momentum? Product of
mass and velocity.
Mass and velocity.
Product of mass and velocity. Okay, children. Product of mass and velocity. Okay, children. So, next. One second, children. Product of mass and velocity is called momentum, children. Next, Newton's third law. What is Newton's third law, children?
For every action,
there is an equal and opposite reaction.
For every action, there is equal and opposite
reaction.
Yeah, for every action, there is equal and opposite
reaction.
Okay, Srijita, can you tell what is Newton's third law? Newton's third law. For every action, there is equal and opposite reaction. Hansika, can you tell what is Newton's third law?
For every action, there is equal and opposite reaction.
Saisha, can you tell what is Newton's third law?
For every action, there is equal and opposite reaction.
Srinid, can you tell Newton's third law? Srinid.
Every action has the equal and opposite reaction.
For every action, there is equal and opposite reaction.
Opposite
That is-
reaction.
Okay, so rockets work on this principle only. And even if you fire the gun, it will come back little, not so much. If you fire the bullet from the gun, gun will come back. That is all Newton's third law, children. And Newton's third law gives what, children? Yesterday I told?
Conservation of momentum.
Conservation of momentum. Conservation of momentum states that momentum before collision is equal to momentum after
Momentum
collision.
after collision.
Momentum before collision is equal to
Momentum after collision.
momentum before collision is equal to
Momentum after collision.
momentum after collision. Can it, okay, momentum before collision. Two bodies before colliding, how much momentum they have. Even after collision also they have same moment. Okay, they will exchange their momentums. Children, are you able to hear my voice?
Yes, sir.
Momentum before
Yes, sir.
collision is equal to momentum after collision. What is conservation of momentum definition? Momentum before collision is equal to
Momentum after collision.
m1 u1 plus m2 u2 is equal to m1
M1
v1 plus m2 v2.
M2 v2.
M2 V2.
Derivation in the yesterday's class, it is there. You please go through, children. Derivation, everything is very important. I will be asking it to day after tomorrow Sunday's exam, children. So momentum before collision is equal to momentum after collision. Momentum before collision is equal to momentum of conservation of momentum definition. Srinit, can you tell conservation of momentum definition? Conservation of momentum
Momentum before collision.
is equal
Momentum before collision is equals to after
to momentum
after collision.
What is definition of momentum, Srinit? Product of
Product of
mass and velocity.
Product of mass and velocity.
Tell me momentum definition again.
Product of mass and velocity.
Again.
Yes.
What is
Moment. Product of mass and velocity.
initial momentum is mu. Final momentum is mv.
MV.
Change in momentum is mv minus mu. Rate of change in momentum is mv minus mu by t, and rate of change in momentum is force applied. Can you tell Newton's second law? Rate of change in momentum is force applied. Can you do?
Rate of change of momentum is directly proportional to the force applied.
Okay, rate of change in momentum is directly proportional to force applied. I told all these things, children, yesterday. Today, I want to discuss only about the force, children, and we'll do some numericals. Only about the force I want to do. So, children, force is denoted by, children, F. What is the formula, children? F is equal to
M into A.
MA.
how you got MA? I told you derivation, children. The derivation you have to. So, okay, F is equal to MA derivation. You know. What are the units for force?
Newtons.
This is in SI system. In CGS system, anyone?
Meters per second.
Meters.
Meters. Dyne.
Dynes. Okay. So 1 Newton is equal to how many dynes?
10 power 5.
10
10 power 5.
10 power of 5 dynes. Force is scalar quantity or vector quantity?
Vector quantity.
Vector, sir.
Why vector? Because acceleration is vector.
Acceleration, sir.
Why acceleration is vector? Because velocity is vector.
Velocity is vector.
Why velocity is vector? Because displacement is vector.
Displacement, sir.
So displacement is vector, velocity is vector, acceleration is vector, so force is vector quantity. What is a vector quantity? Which has both magnitude and direction. Which has both magnitude and direction.
Magnitude and direction.
Direction.
1 Newton means 1 kg into 1 meter per second square. 1 Newton means 1 kg meter per second square. 1 Newton means what, children? 1 kg. Mass means kg. Acceleration means meter per second square. What is 1 Newton? 1 kg meter per second square. I hope everyone are copying. What is 1 Newton means how much, children? 1 kg meter per second square. Okay, 1 kg will have how many grams?
1000, sir.
1000 grams. 1 meter will have how many centimeters?
100.
100, sir.
100 centimeters. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10 to the power of 5 gram centimeter second square. So
Seconds.
gram centimeter per second square, we can call it as
Dynes.
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 So 1 Newton is equal to 10 to the power of 5 dynes. How you got means you have to show this derivation. If I ask in exam, convert 1 Newton into dynes means you have to show this derivation. Directly if you write 1 Newton is equal to 10 to the power of dynes, I will put wrong, children, remember. You have to show this derivation in exam. Okay, so force is product of mass and velocity. Force is product of mass and velocity, and in SI system it is newtons. In CS system it is dynes. 1 Newton will have 10 to the power of 5 dynes. How you got assured? And it is a vector quantity, children. Force. Okay, force. Now we will do some numericals on force, children. We will do some numericals on force. Children, I'll be asking one by one. You have to say, children. All of you get ready. I'll be asking everyone numericals one by one. You have to say, children. Okay, first question. First question, who will tell? Srinidhi, sir. Srinidhi.
Sir,
Find the momentum. Find the momentum. If mass is 75 kg and velocity is 2 meters per second. What is momentum? What is the formula for momentum? Momentum is equal to
into it.
momentum is equal to mass into velocity. Momentum is equal to product of mass into velocity. I made you tell no. Product of mass, and mass is how much? Mass is how much?
Mass is 75 kg.
Velocity 2.
2.
150
150
kg
meter per second.
kg meter per second. Very good. Second question. Tanmay, second question. Tanmay, find the momentum if body of mass is 5 kg and Tanmay, are you there? When its speed 20 meters per second to changes to 0.2 meters per second. Tanmay is not there. Lahari, are you there? Lahari, tell me. Find the change in momentum when its speed changes from 20 to 0.2 meter per second. Change in momentum. Change in
momentum is equal to mv minus mu.
mv minus mu. So m is common, v minus u. Can you tell me the answer?
5.
Yeah. 5 into 0.2 minus 20. 0.2 minus 20 is how much? Minus 19.8. Minus 19.8. That is 5 is a 40, 45, 49, 9. Minus 99 kg meter per second. Minus 99 kg meter per second. Why we got minus? Because this is retardation, children. Decrease in velocity. It is decrease in velocity. That's why you got minus sign, children. This is decrease in velocity. That's why you got minus sign, children. Next question. Next question. Okay, Srihita, are you there? Srihita?
Yes, sir.
A man throws a ball of mass 0.5 kg. Mass is 0.5 kg. Okay, and virtually upwards with a velocity of 10 meters per second. With a velocity of 10 meters per second. What is initial momentum? What is initial momentum?
MV
Initial, yeah, 0.5 into
0.5 into 10,
5 kg
5
meter per
kg
second.
meter per second.
5 kg meter per second. Fourth question. Okay, next. Nandika, a steam
Yes, sir.
mass, a steam engine is there whose mass is 3 into 10 to the power of 4 kg. It pulls two vagons of masses. Two vagons of masses. 2 into 10 to the power of 4 kg with an acceleration of 0.2 meter per second square. Okay, find the force exerted by the engine. Find the
Yes, sir.
force.
F is equal to
Find the
M1
force.
plus M2 into A.
F is equal to
M1 plus both.
F is equal to how much? F is equal to ma.
F is equal to MA.
But his total mass we should take. Total
Yes,
mass
sir.
we should take.
M1 plus M2 into A.
Okay, m1 plus a. 3 plus 2 is how much?
5 into 10 power.
5 into
5
10 to
into
the power
10
of
power
4 into
10
0.2.
0.2.
5 into 0.2? 1.
1, so 1 into 10 power
So
4.
10 to the power of 4
Power
Newton.
4 Newton.
Everyone is copying, I think, children. Everyone should copy. No one should sit idle.
Yes, sir.
Please, no one should sit idle, children. Fifth question. Okay. Next.
Sir?
Yeah.
Sir, before I got disconnected.
Tanmay, you tell them. A man pushes a box of 50 kg. Tanmay, a man pushes a box of 50 kg with a force of 80 Newton. With a force of 80 Newton, what is an acceleration? Can you tell what is the acceleration? Yes, what is the acceleration?
Yes, sir. F equals to ma.
Okay.
50 equals to
80 is equal
80 into A equals to 80 by 50, 0, 0 cancel, A equals to 8 by 5, 1.6.
meter per second square. 1.6 meter per second square. Okay, children, 1.6 meter per second square. Next one. Next one. I hope everyone are copying, children. Nobody is sitting idle. Please keep copying.
Sir, I'll say, sir.
Yashasvi, wait, Nana. I will ask you.
Yes, sir.
Find the force required to impact a car velocity of 30 meters per second if the mass of car is 1500 kg. Okay, in 10 seconds. In 10 seconds. Find the force. What is the force formula, ma? M
So
A.
force is equals to ma.
A is V minus U
V
by
minus u by t.
So,
So 15 into
1500 into
1500 into
30 minus.
30 minus
Initially it is a trust.
minus 0 by 10. So 1500 into 30, which is 4500.
4500 Newton.
500 newtons.
Okay, 4 Newton. Next, Hansika. Hansika, are you there?
Yes, sir.
A cricket ball of mass 70 grams. A cricket ball of mass 70 grams moving with a velocity of 0.5 meters per second is stopped, means final velocity 0. Stopped means final velocity 0 in 0.5 seconds. Find the force applied. Find the force
Force is
applied.
equals to ma.
Okay.
M into v minus u by t.
Okay.
70 into
75,000 grams to kgs. 75,000
into 0 minus 0.5 by 5. 0.5.
Okay, so this gone 0.07 into this gone minus 1. So answer minus 0.07 Newton.
Newton.
Why we got answer minus? Because it is a
Retard.
retardation. It is a retardation, children. Because it is a retardation. That's why we got answer in minus, children. Please keep copying because I'll be erasing the board. Please keep copying, children. It is a retardation. Next, Saisha is the 8th one.
Yes, sir.
The mass of 1000 kg is there. Mass is 1000 kg. Moving with a velocity of 45 kmph. 45 kmph collides with a tree and comes to stop. In 5 seconds. What is the force?
F is equals to ma.
F is equal to ma.
F 1000 kg into v minus u by t.
Okay.
1000 into 0 minus 40.
For kmph to meter second, you have to multiply with 5 by 18.
5 by
kmph to meter per second, 5 by 18. 3 6s are 3 15s are 3 2s are 3 5s are 25 by 2. Answer. This is 25 by 2. 25 by 3 is how much, Amma? 12.5. By 5. So 1000 into minus 12.5 by 5.
By 5.
5 2s are 12.5 into 2 is 25 minus 2500 Newton. Minus why you got answer? Because it was a
Because it is retardation.
retardation. Decrease in the speed is called retardation, children. Decrease in the speed is called retardation. It was retardation, children. It was retardation. That's why you got minus sign. Next, Swigdha, are you there? A force
Yes,
of 0.6 Newton acting on a body increases its velocity from 5 meter per second to 6 meter per second in 2 seconds. In 2 seconds. What is the mass? What is the mass? Tell me.
F is equals to ma.
F is equal to ma.
0.6 into 0.6 is equals to m into 6 minus 5 by 2.8.
Minus 5 by 6 minus.
2.8.
No, this is 2 seconds. I wrote.
2.
Okay. So this goes here. 0.6 into 2.
1.2 is equals to m into 1. 1.2 is equals to mass.
Mass is 1.2 kg. Mass is how much? 1.2 kg.
Okay.
Understood? Yes. Next, Neeraj.
Yes, sir.
Next, Neeraj. Vikram, are you there, Vikram? Okay, Neeraj, you can tell us.
Okay, sir.
Okay, from how much time should the force of 400 Newton, be exerted on a body of mass 8 kg, so that its velocity changes from 150 to 300 in how much time?
Yes, sir. F is equal to m into a.
M into V minus U by T. Okay, very good.
Yes, sir. That is equal to 400 into 8 is equal to 8. 300 minus 150 by t.
Okay.
So 400 by 8 is equal to 150 by t.
Okay. 50.
Cross multiplication. So 50 is equal to 150 by 8.
Okay.
T is equal to 150 by 50. That is equal to 3, sir.
3
Seconds.
In 3 seconds, the velocity key changes to the switch. In 3 seconds, the velocity changes to. In 3 seconds, the velocity changes from 300 to 150. Shanmukh, are you there? Shanmukh?
Yes, sir.
Shanmukh, your question. Your question is there like this. A body of mass 4 kg is moving with a velocity of 5 meters per second. It is acted upon by force of 12 Newton. And in 1 second, how much velocity will change? When it is acted upon by 12 Newton, how much final velocity will become? Very easy, sir. F is equal to
F force is equals to m into V minus U by T. 12 is equals to on what is 4 into V minus 5 by 1. 12 by 4 is equals to V minus 5. 3 into 3 is equals to V minus 5. V is equals to 8 meters per second.
8 meters per second is the velocity after 1 second if 12 Newton force acts. Anyone didn't tell, children? Everyone told or anyone didn't tell? Children, Rohan, did you tell? Rohan Babu? No, Rohan, okay. Snigdha,
Yes, sir.
Rohan, you are there?
Yes, sir.
How much time should I call, right? Yeah, tell this one. 2 blocks made up of the acceleration of the second. Okay, 1 second, children.